We were supposed to be leaving out of here at 9:08, but we are dealing with the delay. Good morning, you all. Good morning. Welcome back to my channel. If you're subscribed, and if you are new, welcome to the world of bliss. I'm Liz. Hopefully, do stick around, like, subscribe, and turn your post notification bell on so you can become a part of my world. I don't know how I'm up right now, but once I get to Cincinnati, I'll fill you in all the details. Just wanted to say good morning and open up the vlog. Hey, road travelers. So we are here in Cincinnati. It's 8:40. We were supposed to be leaving. Ooh, geez. We were supposed to be leaving out of here at 9:08, but we are dealing with the delay. And you would think because it's the weather here, but it's actually due to the weather in New York. So we just worked a flight here from LaGuardia to Cincinnati. We're about to do the turn back, and then we'll be overnighting in Portland tonight. We had a plane swap, and we're gonna have another plane swap once we get to New York. And the reason we're delayed is because of fog in New York. So I'll keep you guys updated. And then I'll fill you in on everything else a little later on today. I'm tired. I'm tired. And you guys know I finished a 2-day yesterday. So, yeah. Good morning, road travelers. Yes, good morning. It's 11:42. It's 11:42 in the morning, and we just knocked out day 2 of 3 of the trip. 2-flight day, great day, no issues. But we had some, we had some minor issues boarding this morning because I guess the gate agent's scanner gave out sometime during the boarding process. Plus we were not connected to a jet bridge. Customers were boarding via the air stairs, and a lot of people were sitting in the wrong seats or didn't know what seat they were assigned. So it was just a lot of confusion, but we got it together. And we are now here in Greenville, Spartanburg. We have a 19-hour layover. I am tired. I have been battling with insomnia for the past week now. I might take a nap, but I'm going to ensure that I get a good night's rest tonight and just kind of shut down my brain like really early, because we have a 5 a.m. van and tomorrow is day 3 of 3, but really 5 of 5. But I have no complaints for this trip. Yesterday I closed out the day and I deleted the footage, but I told you guys we had 3 flights. We kept our pilots all day. My flying partner is amazing. Shout out to you, Chanel. Thank you so much with, you know, helping me meal prep for this trip. Y'all, my flying partner Chanel, you put your foot in this curry. My flying partner better than y'all's. She better than y'all flying partner. I had to check her out for myself. Chanel, ma'am. I might eat tomorrow's dinner tonight because you're lucky I'm not knocking on your door. Wow. I'm gonna link her Instagram down below. You guys check her out for all of your catering needs on Instagram. Reach out to her in her DMs. And yeah, the food tastes just as good as it looks. And I meal prepped for the 2-day trip that I watched last week, but I wanted something different for my 3-day, so I reached out to her. And I'm gonna see if I can edit the 2-day trip that I just finished, but if not, I'll just edit it when I can, because I really need to get rest. What happened yesterday? Yesterday we dealt with a delay because New York was experiencing some fog, so we kind of left Cincinnati late, and then we left New York late to head to Portland, but we arrived in Portland with 2 minutes to spare of our original arrival time. So we good in the hood, no issues, no complaints. Literally, this trip has been great, refreshing, really needed this trip. I'm going to eat this lasagna that I have, and then eat my second meal that she made me, my curry chicken and coconut rice for dinner tonight, and then just get my life together, because I have 2 days off after this trip, and that's not enough time off. And so I'll catch you guys tomorrow morning for day 3 of 3, which is 5 of 5. And yeah, good morning, world travelers. Good morning. Today's day 3 of 3 of 5 of 5. It's currently 4:49. Yeah, 4:49 in the morning. That clock is off, and we have a 3-flight day. We are in Greenville, Spartanburg, working a flight to LaGuardia and doing a Myrtle Beach turn, and I should be done by 2 p.m. and my commute flight is at 4:40 p.m. So didn't have much of a disagreement with the alarm clock, but didn't really fall asleep last night because I ended up taking like an 8-hour nap, but I could have used some sleep. So we're about to go down and get our ice packs. I'm a little traumatized because during my nap I like literally sprung up out of bed, and I thought that it was the next day, and I was like terrified that I overslept and that no one called me. And it took me like a while to just calm down, regroup, and realize that it was still the same day. I've just been sleeping for like 7-8 hours. So yeah, let's head out. And yeah, I already did a final walkthrough, and let's see what today has in store for us. Travelers, so finished our work day. Amazing day, like couldn't have asked for a better day, couldn't have asked for better crowds. Boarding on each of the flights were hectic, and I thought the flights were gonna go differently, but we handled it. Okay, we handled it with grace. My flying partner was amazing, my pilots are amazing. We all stuck together for the entire 3 days of this trip. This is the end of day 3 of 3, but really 5 of 5, because you guys know that I had a 2-day before the 3-day. I'm currently in a different terminal in LaGuardia. It is 2:12. My commute flight leaves out at 4:40, and I'm trying to get out of here like pronto because snowstorm is supposed to be coming through and rain. And we're just trying to get up out of here. Like, we don't need no problems. We don't want no problems. Once I get home, tomorrow is Keith's birthday, February 25th. So I gotta figure something out because, yeah. But this was just such an amazing trip, despite issues happening early on during my 2-day, and then like a little hiccup here and there. have no complaints. So I'm here charging my devices before I head to my gate because it's crowded here, you know, and I don't want to be on top of other people. And yeah, so once I get home, I'll close out the vlog. Hey road travelers, it is the next day and I did want to thank you guys for watching this week's vlog. This was such a refreshing trip. I tell you guys this all the time, your crew will either make or break your trips. The turbulence was crazy, so hopefully my next trip and my last trip for the month of February that also carries over into March is smooth. I did figure out the issue to my insomnia. It's because I have not worked AM trips in a while. You guys know that I do prefer AM trips, but lately I've been getting PM trips, so my sleep pattern has been bonkers, like just out of this world. Just my mind is just up and active in the evening and at night, and in the morning it's just so hard for me to just focus, like just hard for me to wake up, focus, and get my day started. So hopefully that this last trip that I worked was AM. My next trip that I have is mostly AM. I could get some good night's rest because the insomnia is no joke. Having to deal with insomnia, especially when you don't want to keep taking like sleeping pills or melatonin. Yeah, so I am going to run a few errands because today's actually Keith's birthday. A few of you guys have been asking for Papa's. Pops, come here. He's right here, guys. He's right here. He's fine. He's chilling. I didn't even realize that I haven't been adding him into the vlogs lately, but he's here. He's chilling. You guys know that he does not like the camera, so I've been trying not to force the camera down his face. But you got a YouTube mama. You got a YouTube mama, but I try to respect your privacy, you know. So yeah, I'm gonna go out and get Keith the cake and a few errands that I need to run and to get him a gift. Just a lot of things that I need to do. I only have 2 days off between this trip and my next trip, which is not enough days off, and I need to plan out what we're gonna do for his festivities / celebration. So be sure to give this video a like. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to turn your post notification bell on. Comment a cake emoji for Keith's birthday. But by the time that you guys see this vlog, it'll probably be a week later, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, real bye.